Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a much needed hair mask because my hair has been so damaged and dry and like disgusting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I suffer from like dry scalp, especially when I'm like stressed out. I feel like my scalp is so itchy and dry. So I'm going to do a mask today and I'll take you guys along with me. Guys, we'll be using a full avocado. I do have really thick hair, so I'm going to cut this open, put this in a blender. I'll be using 1 egg yolk as well. I'm just going to separate the egg whites and yolk myself, and then we'll use one of these. 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of black seed oil, 1 teaspoon of the red pimento hair growth oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 2 teaspoons of milk. So guys, the reason why I want to use avocado today, one of the reasons, is because my avocado has actually gone a little bad, but it's still really nourishing for your hair. So I'm just going to pop this in the blender. Guys, all the ingredients are in. I'm just going to blend it real quick and we'll be good to apply. Finished product. Yeah, it doesn't look the greenest or the most appetizing, but we're not gonna eat it. Putting in my hair, and let's do that right now. Okay guys, this is the mixture. This is what it looks like. I know it looks like a lot, but I do have a lot of hair. Okay, so what I'm going to do is section my hair in half. There we go. And just start applying the mixture to the bottom half. So I'm going to apply it, usually hair oils and stuff, I apply most of it to my scalp and then not really to the rest of my hair, but I'm going to apply from my scalp all the way down. That's my plan right now. Guys, little heads up, I should have worn gloves because this feels so weird because it's like thicker and obviously I'm not used to something like this, but I read so many good reviews while applying avocado to dry hair. My hair has been so dry. I'm hoping this helps me. And I honestly go down the hair first and then I massage it into my scalp. I'm not gonna leave this on for too long either, only maybe like half an hour. Maybe an hour, then I'll rinse it out. Okay. This is so much harder to do on camera because I'm trying to show everything, guys. It's not easy. Okay guys, I'm just going to finish applying this to the rest of my hair because it's literally the same thing. And then I will show you guys how it looks right when all the sections are done applying. Okay guys, so the whole mask is in. You see I applied all of it. I'm going to leave it for maybe an hour. You can do like 20 minutes if you want. It's all over my sweater, but I am filming in my makeup room and I didn't want it all over the floor or anything, so I just put the towel here, and I did lose like a lot of hair like comes out. I do shed a lot of hair, so I'm hoping this helps with like the dryness. I'm going to shower and then I will come back and you guys can see the difference with me. Okay guys, so I washed my hair last night. It was so hard to get the avocado out. So fair warning, avocado and coconut, but the egg mixture is so hard to remove. But this is my naturally air dried hair. I feel like it already looks shiny. I have nothing in it, just the conditioner that I applied. And I feel like it feels softer too. I'm going to apply heat later on today and I'll show you guys how it looks when it's treated. Okay guys, so this is my hair styled now. And you can see like it's so shiny. I didn't really put any serums in, just a heat protectant. And even my scalp, guys, I don't know if you saw, like I had so much dry scalp. There's not too much of it. If I start itching, I do have it, but I do feel more hydrated, and the avocado just cooled everything down. So I'm glad I did the mask. It was really hard to wash it out, like I said earlier, but whatever. If you guys do give it a try, let me know what you guys think. And if you have any other hair remedies and like at-home hair masks, please share them with me in the comments below. If you liked this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.